Here's my problem. I'm not going to put you on a reporting probation where you got to check in with an officer once a month or anything like that. But I want you on a non-reporting probation just to make sure between now and 12 months from now, there's no new charges and you do the things I tell you to do. The charge is up to 1 year in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs. You understand? Offer from the prosecutor would be that I would put you on a non-reporting probation, get you in compliance with your reporting requirements, and move forward. Counsel tells me that you just have a thing, you don't want to be on probation. Prosecutors made an offer. What is this misdemeanor, isn't it?
Yes.
1 year 1,000 or 1 year 500?
I think it may be a 1 year 500, but I do too.
Okay. All right. So the ad. Here's my problem. I'm not going to put you on a reporting probation where you got to check in with an officer once a month or anything like that. But I want you on a non-reporting probation just to make sure between now and 12 months from now, there's no new charges and you do the things I tell you to do. So for example, if one of the things I got to do is order you to go to the PD and get your proper address on file with them.
Right.
If you don't do that, then I can just issue a contempt of court order. If I tell you it's part of your probation,
Right.
I got a little more hammer on you.
Well, I gotta go do that anyway.
Right, right. So what's your problem? You don't want to be on probation? Because when you stand there and say, Judge,
I don't complete it.
Let me finish. No, but to complete this, all you got to do is stay out of trouble for 12
No,
months.
I'll.
You follow me?
Yeah.
I just want to keep my thumb over you for 12 months because you're getting a deal here, okay? When my thing is, I think everybody deserves second and third chances. But if you screw that up, I want to have a hammer over you. If I just say fines and costs and you're gone, and you get arrested 2 weeks from now, I'm done with you. It's a whole new charge. You can't do anything about it. But if you take this deal and you get the break today, and I put you on a 12-month non-reporting, and you screw up with new charges, now I got a major hammer on you.
All right.
You follow me?
Yeah.
But I'm not going to make you jump through any hoops. You're not going to have to check in with our probation officer. The only hoops you got to check into is stay out of trouble and take care of your address.
All right.
So you're straight on your reporting.
All right.
That work?
Yeah.
Okay. I think I got damn near everything I need. You want to do voir dire to get the factual basis for the plea?
I can.
Go ahead.
Let me say first, Judge, I'm Joan Morgan from Neighborhood Defender
I'm
Service.
sorry.
It's okay. I wanted, Mr. Palmer, can I ask you, you and I have had a lengthy conversation this morning, right?
Yes.
And you understand that you are charged with not registering between December of 2017 and February of 2018. Do you understand that?
Yes.
But the detective I spoke with indicates that you did register in 2017 and you paid, although you paid late. Do you understand that?
Yes.
She also indicates, however, that her records show that you did not register in either 2018 or 2019. Do you understand that?
Yes.
So do you admit that you did not register in those 2 years?
No, because I did. I did in 2019.
Okay, I'm sorry. I just leave it to 2018. Do you agree you did not register that year?
Not that I can remember. But
Okay, but you did register in 2020, yes?
No, not yet.
Her records show
I don't
you
think
did.
I did. Well, I haven't.
Her
Not
re-
that I know of. Well, them records must be wrong because I don't remember going to do that.
Her records show you not only
I
registered in
didn't.
2020, but they show you paid
I
your
haven't.
registration fee.
I haven't.
Well, you don't want to admit that because that would be,
Well, I'm just saying.
And I'd go with their records. If they already got you registered, it saves you money.
Yeah, but I still got to go make sure. I ain't
Well,
gonna
no,
go
that's-
just
I'm okay with making sure.
because I don't remember going down there
No, that's fine. That's fine.
while COVID was.
I hear you.
okay. I don't have anything else.
I think that's a factual basis. Ms. Morel-Smith, you satisfied?
Laura Morel-Smith for the people, Your Honor. People are satisfied.
And Ms. Morgan, you're satisfied?
I am.
All right. So I'll accept the plea to the misdemeanor charge. I'll dismiss the felony charge. What should I consider before I sentence?
Judge, I just want to tell you at this moment, when Mr. Palmer didn't appear about 6 weeks ago in front of Your Honor, it was because he and his family were being evicted.
Ah.
They currently do not have a place to stay, and his address is his father's address.
Is that the Beach Daily address?
No,
No,
that
it's going to
was,
be switched over to that.
All right. So we can use Dad's for a good mailing address?
yes.
Can you give me that, sir?
It's 15215 Hampton, Taylor, Michigan.
I've got a phone number in the file, 313-926-0431. That good number
Yeah.
for you?
That one's still good.
All right. What else?
But I just wanted to indicate that and ask you to consider that in terms of the amount of the fines and costs you're gonna assess.
Oh, I'm not gonna hammer him because he missed a court date.
And not because of that, but because he was evicted. He has been working at Cults Excavating.
Good.
But was laid off at the end of August and is currently waiting for a call from his union to go back to
Okay.
work. His
You
wife.
an operator?
No, I'm labor, but
Okay.
I'm on my way to I operate, but I just don't get paid for it.
Yeah. And they just had a new child within the
Oh,
last
congrats.
month.
Yeah.
So he's in fairly dire financial
Yeah.
straits, and I just ask you to take that
Yeah.
into
And
consideration.
I'll work with you on the money, guy.
Alright.
We'll take payments forever. All right, anything else?
No.
Anything from the people?
No, Your Honor.
All right. All right, Mr. Palmer, as I said, 12-month non-reporting probation. Terms, you got to be in compliance with your reporting requirements and no new criminal charges. Court costs are assessed in the amount of $400. Can you commit to a monthly payment, like $40 a month?
Yeah, but I'm gonna make a payment today.
What do you want to start with?
I'm gonna pay $40 today.
So just do 40 a month, start today?
Yeah,
But is that on your other case?
but I'm paying on a other case. I have
Are you already on
another.
a payment plan here? What is that
I'm
one?
paying. It's for
No, how much?
$40.
We're just gonna roll this in. So
All
right
right.
now, if you, let's say on that file you owe us $1,000, now you owe us 14.
All right.
So whatever that one is,
I
we're
think
just
I
gonna
only
add
owe
40.
like $700 or $800.
Whatever, I'm just gonna add this to the same
All
file.
right.
All right.
Can I just go and make? Where do I make the payment at?
I'll show you.
Yeah, right up to the cashier. So I'm just making a note, add to current plan. Okay? Anything else?
No,
We got a
Judge.
plan? We got a plan? All right.
Thank you.
And I'm sorry, Your Honor, you did say that includes being registered.
Yeah, he's gotta keep that register, I mean, if he moves 4 times in the next 12 months, he's gotta change his address every time.
Right.
Right.
Because while you're on probation, you gotta be in compliance.
Right.
Right,
Sounds
okay,
good, Your Honor.
okay.
This explosive courtroom hearing turned into complete chaos after a witness repeatedly contradicted his own testimony during an attempted murder case. Defense attorneys aggressively challenged nearly every statement, exposing inconsistencies about masks, voice identification, and key details from the shooting investigation. As the pressure intensified, the judge became visibly frustrated and openly criticized the witness in front of the courtroom. At one point, the judge admitted the witness was one of the worst he had ever seen testify and suggested the entire case could have collapsed at trial because of the unreliable testimony. The tense exchanges created one of the most humiliating courtroom moments in the entire hearing.